This vehicle is the Mercedes-AMG C63S. It's the best that Mercedes has to offer, and this vehicle wouldn't actually be possible if it wasn't for the Mercedes-Benz F1 team, Lewis Hamilton, the women and men who work on the F1 team, and the AMG crew at Mercedes-Benz, because this vehicle is ultimately one of the most funnest vehicles to drive. Now, I don't have an F1 track to test it on. I do, however, have city streets, and I'm gonna have to exercise some self-control. And if you know me, that's gonna be really hard when the vehicle you're in can do this.
Let's be frank, $105,690 MSRP is not a commuter car, but it doesn't stop me being overly excited about it. The starting price is $77,500, and add in a $5,450 brake package and 17 other option features, and you get that price up by $28,145 of extras and clear the $100,000 mark.
So what do you get for that price tag? Well, you get one of the most amazing machines on the road today. In fact, it's so amazing to drive that I have cancelled my meetings for the rest of the day, and I'm just going to drive this car.
The cost of a Mercedes-Benz F1 car is around $7 million, so I guess I shouldn't be moaning about the cost of one over $105,000. That feeling and sensation of driving this car is like the feeling you get in your tummy while on a roller coaster.
Now, what I wasn't expecting is the amazing drop in my stomach and the sound as I put my foot down. Holy hell!
Over the last 10 years, the Mercedes C63 has become a go-to car for those that want the combination of track and everyday driver. It competes with the BMW M4 M3 and the Audi A4 RS.
Now, the C63S has extended front arches and extended rear arches in this vehicle, which are unique only to the coupe body style of the C63S, and they make the vehicle look a lot more aggressive and meaner.
It sets itself apart from the wagon and the four-door with a wider, more aggressive look. The grille comes from the AMG GTR and the Mercedes GT race car. It compounds those aggressive looks and makes the design, in my opinion. This has an added optional aero package. Yes, it is $1,750, but I can't imagine buying a C63 without one.
I'm pretty excited about the way this vehicle looks. A redesigned bumper and an extended lower lip, which is part of the aero package and comes in this nice gloss black finish.
On the side, larger side sills. At the back, unique spoiler and diffuser.
Under the hood, a 4-litre V8 bi-turbo, and this is handcrafted at the AMG factory. This particular engine was put together by Salim Urka. Every single engine gets the nameplate if it's handmade at the AMG factory by the person that made it.
The sound you hear is that beautiful AMG exhaust system. Put your foot down and you can get from 0 to 60 miles an hour in well under 4 seconds.
Now, the inside reminds me of the Mercedes-Benz flagship performance car, which is the GTR. In fact, this has a brand new steering wheel and those dynamic selecting rotators in the steering wheel itself, which allow you to select how the car performs.
Although I had the choice of selecting Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, etc., I have just had it in race mode. Why? Because I don't want to waste 1 ounce of driving performance. The first time Mercedes used these buttons was on the Mercedes Project 1. Also, the driver zone is redesigned with digital gauges that look like gauges rather than just a big screen. You can also customize the look.
Now, this is not a luxury ride, it's a performance ride. The absolute pinnacle of the words fun to drive in the C63S. This is exactly what everyday good should feel like.
Just a reminder, the C63S does 0 to 60 miles an hour in around 3.7 seconds, has 503 horsepower, starts at $77,500-ish, and the one I've been driving was over $105,000.
I'm Nik Miles.